What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I want to give you guys a quick market update as Bitcoin just absolutely dumped. So I want to go ahead and cover some levels to the downside that we have to be aware of. Now, as you guys know, on my live stream, we have been looking at some potential signs that were pointing to some more downside for Bitcoin. However, we were not getting overly bearish at the lows of our range, and I will show you why we weren't doing that in just a second. But with this big dump, I want to go ahead and cover some of the lower levels underneath us that we have to keep an eye on, and then I want to actually dig into Bitcoin and show you guys why it actually dumped and if we can expect more downside or if we can expect a strong bounce from here. Let's get into it. So guys, here we are on the Bitcoin chart. Now, as you can see here by these giant wicks, we just got some pretty crazy volatility. Now, we did get the CPI report this morning, which didn't come out too bad, which is likely what caused that big move to the upside that we saw earlier. But it was just followed by an absolute nuke to the downside. So first off, let's take a look at some levels that we could keep an eye on. And as you guys know, as we look at this price action right here, let me come down to a lower time frame so we can see a little bit more clearly. You guys can see that obviously we did come up to this area, and on my live stream last night, we were looking at kind of the bullish case for Bitcoin lying on the 8-hour green dot with the 30 and 24-minute money flows coming to the upside, looking for a crossover into the green. Now guys, this is why I always recommend, even if you can't catch my live streams live, I highly recommend you go back and watch them as long as you're not like 2 days late to the party. Most of the information will still be relevant. And again, last night we were looking at that 8-hour green dot to kind of be the start of that move to the upside if we were going to get it. And you can see here, if I put a vertical line on that green dot, it printed right before we started getting this big push up. On top of that, you can see if we come down to the 30-minute, we also got that green dot right on our crossover into the green with our money flow on the 30-minute. And as you guys know, when you get those 8-hour green dots and then you get those 24-minute, the 15-minute, and that 30-minute money flow crossing over into the green, sometimes that can cause a pretty big move to the upside. And you can see we did get one first crossover here. That's where I was looking for a potential move to start. And then we came down just a little bit, faked out back into the red, but then finally got that crossover. And that second crossover was literally the beginning of that run to the upside. Now, guys, we did catch this trade in the premium Discord. And not only that, guys, we also put this setup in the dining room, which is our kind of freemium Discord level. We have our free Discord, our dining room, which is kind of freemium. And then we have the full premium Discord where we give all the trade setups. But if you stick around till the end of the video, guys, I'll show you how you could have gotten this trade set up before it happened for completely free. But you can see here, we were looking at a setup down here from this key level, and we did wind up getting a bounce. To be honest, it was a little bit of an emotional ride here. We came up a little higher, all the way back down to break even, and then finally we got that breakout for a nice 3.5% move on some leverage. That can make you a good chunk of change, or a nice bag of bagels, as I would say. But like I said, guys, at the end of the video, I will go ahead and show you how you could have gotten this trade set up for completely free. Let's go ahead and talk about where price could be headed in the future here, guys, because as you know, we've been looking at this range forever, and these lows down here close to about $27,000 have held up pretty strong. Now, obviously, we do have that head and shoulders formation that we've been looking at for quite some time, and as I've been talking about recently, we are not getting bearish at the range lows just yet, because as you guys know, you don't want to get bearish as you come into support like this. You do not just want to come down here, start shorting, and then get absolutely wrecked to the upside. This is why for the past 2 weeks, I've been saying when we do come back down and visit these lows, I will be looking for longs, which again is why we got that position in the premium Discord and in the dining room. This is why we were looking for longs at this level, because we knew it was going to be very likely to get a bounce here, and the Mafia absolutely cashed out on that one, as did I. But now we are getting the move to the downside, and we are reapproaching the range lows. And again, guys, our key levels remain the same. If we start coming down into this white box, I am not flipping completely bearish and expecting 25K until we lose the bottom of this white box at $26,400. This is our key level of support still, and has been for the past week. So if we keep coming down here, guys, if you start taking a look at Market Cipher B, you can see that our VWAP is working its way to the downside on the 4-hour time frame. This is likely going to print a red dot very, very soon. And when it does, it will likely push us back down into these range lows and even potentially into this white box. But again, you want to realize that not only do you have a golden pocket here, but you also have a few other very important levels within this box that may actually wind up giving you a move to the upside. So again, I will be looking for longs, just like I looked for this long down here and nailed it with the Mafia. I will be looking for more longs down here with specific confirmations that we give in the premium. But like I said, if you guys get in the dining room, you sometimes can get that sauce for free. We do put one premium post in the dining room, and a lot of times they absolutely hit, like this setup did right here. This is the dining room, a completely free Discord channel that we have, and you can see we did put that setup right at this key level with the stop loss and the take profit set here, and we absolutely ripped it. So guys, I want to talk a little bit about, real quick before I wrap up this video, I do just want to touch on what actually caused this dump. And for that, I want to come on over to coinalyze.net, which is a 100% free tool that you can use and add to your tool belt to add extra confidence and confluence into all of your trades. Now, as you can see here, Coinalyze allows you to not only look at your regular candlestick chart, but it also allows you to look at your liquidations. It also lets you look at CVD and open interest, which are really important if you're trying to figure out exactly what was going on behind the candlesticks. So if I go ahead and zoom in here, you guys can see as we were riding up here in this range, you can actually see, right? We have these big liquidation bars on Coinalyze, and you can see these little numbers up here will change as I hover over these bars. You can see right here, 7 million longs liquidated. On this next bar, 27 million longs liquidated, and then that last bar was 6.3 million longs liquidated. So we now know that all of this wasn't necessarily sell pressure to the downside, but we may have gotten a little bit of sell pressure right here, which in turn wound up stopping out everybody long from the top of this range. Because you have to think about what's going on in the actual brains of these people trading the markets. If you were looking for this move up to continue, there may have been a lot of people longing this consolidation area. And if you were looking to long this area, you would, let's say, randomly you were targeting 29,000, not a strategy video here. This is a market update. But let's say you were looking to get into a long here. We'll say we entered in right here. Your stop loss is essentially going to be below these swing lows down here. So we probably had a lot of stop losses right below this price action, in which case, once people started opening new shorts and pushing price to the downside, once we started getting past these levels where many people likely had their stop losses set, price comes down and kind of creates a cascade or a domino effect of the longs getting stopped out and liquidated. And if you have to close a long position, you essentially have to create a market sell. And that is what creates those moves to the downside. And you can see not only is it supported by your liquidation candles here, where you could see the actual quantity of longs that got liquidated, but you could also see open interest took a big dump to the downside, showing you that people were closing positions, aka exiting their longs. So this is how you can tell that this big move to the downside was a majority of longs getting wrecked. Now, that does not mean that this move down can't continue, but it is definitely helpful to have this extra tool in your tool belt to add confidence and confluence to your trades. So that's basically why Bitcoin dumped, and we could see all that supported by these indicators, guys. So I did just want to cover why price dumped, and again, to the downside until we lose $26,400. I'm not expecting. I will be looking for longs in this range, in this white box, until we lose that 26.4 level, in which case I would expect 25.3 and 25K to be the next targets. And if this head and shoulders does break down and play out to its full technical target, it would bring you down to about $23,000, but we're pretty far away from there, so I don't want to get ahead of ourselves. But guys, with all that being said, I apologize for the raspy voice here. Like I said, if you guys watch my live stream, I'm not really feeling great, so I actually don't know if I'm going to go live tonight. I want to try to make sure that I'm good for tomorrow, and I don't try to push through tonight and then have to cancel the stream tomorrow. So we may do a shorter stream tonight, or I may just take the night off. But with all that being said, guys, if you want to get into the dining room to get some of these trade setups where you can catch these moves before they happen and make money with me and the CandleMafia, again, for absolutely free. Obviously, we do have the premium Discord, which is where we put daily TA, and that's the active trading channel where we post setups constantly. If you want to get a taste of the premium Discord for completely free and get some setups, we give up one premium TA post a week. Sometimes they're setups. Actually, a lot of times they're setups here, but sometimes they're regular TA, and then sometimes they're setups. This week happened to be a beautiful setup that absolutely slapped. But if you want to get access to this, guys, just come to the free Discord, go to Dining Room, click on Unlock Access. If you've signed up already with one of our affiliate links for Femex or BitGet, you could simply just click on these buttons. And if you have not signed up with our link, you can just go ahead and click any of the links in any of our videos to sign up through our referral links. And you could just go ahead and post your user ID here and hit submit. Give our mods 2 to 3 days to get you in and get everything set up for you. And then you will get access to all these different channels. We have an altcoin gem channel, which again, it doesn't hit 100% of the time, but a lot of times these altcoins go absolutely nuts after we post them. We use token metrics as our main tool to find these, and it plays out absolutely beautifully. 643% on Caspa, calling this thing forever ago. So absolutely beautiful. We do post in here. And then you get an airdrop watch where Tyler Durden and Chemistry Bro, 2 of our main mods, will go ahead and update you guys on the newest airdrops. Super, super, super valuable channel here. And then you get exclusive giveaways. Obviously, the premium TA, 1 post a week. Sometimes they're set up, sometimes they're TA. And then you get a bookmap stream if you're interested in looking at that. You could go ahead and check out bookmap so you don't have to pay for it. And the same thing with LuxAlgo. We have 24/7 streams for both of those tools. And with all that being said, guys, I think that's all the time I got for today's market update. Ran a little bit longer here just because I wanted to show you guys how to get into the dining room to catch these setups, because they do hit more often than they don't. So with all that being said, guys, that's all I got for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Frankie Candles out.
Here we go, at the top of the class on a roll, and it's time to run it up, yeah, maxed out, put the pedal to the floor, ayy, on the road, here we go, yeah, we winning by a landslide. Never see me coming, I'm a landmine. Yeah, I ain't taking orders in command like